Sometimes we have images in our minds that we would like to have, but we have no way of having that. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get whatever image that you envision in your mind for great wallpapers and other uses. With the recent development of AI, creating these images have become so easy for anybody to be able to create whatever image that they have in mind. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to generate images using AI. You're going to be using an AI known as Leonardo AI. If you're new here, this is the point where you like, you comment, and please subscribe if you've not to join the family, and don't forget to share with your friends. So you tap into your web browser, Leonardo AI, search for it. It opens up here. This is just the web browser. You can decide to launch the app if you want to, but I just use the web browser for now. Just taking you guys to the rundown of what's on their main page. So I'm going to go back up here and click on get started to take me to this page for me to sign up or log in with my Apple ID, Google or Gmail, or my Microsoft ID, or create a special email and password for Leonardo AI. So I'm just going to use one of my Gmail accounts to log in and get started. Here I'll click on let's go, and this is just a few questions just to help them bring up new features, so you can choose any of them that you want. I think I should have gone for enthusiast, but rather I went in for other and typed in YouTube, so you can just select any of them that you want. It doesn't really affect what you are going to create. After that, you click on done. It brings you here, and then you click on let's go. Then let's just go through their main page and see what's up. So you could do show me, but I'm just going to close this and you're going to go down and see some of the images that Leonardo AI allows you to create. So with Leonardo AI, you're able to generate these beautiful images. Whatever image that you envision, you're able to generate it, and all these images are for free, guys. That's the great part about Leonardo AI. Zooming right into business, I'm going to tap on these three bars up here, and it's going to take me to the main menu, the home menu, and I'm going to tap on image generation, and then I'm going to go to let's go. Going to try and enter a prompt. This image down there is one I've generated myself before, so that's why it's there. So I'm going to enter a prompt for like a beach. So this is my prompt. So I click on generate, and it starts to generate the images, and here you wire the images. So I'm gonna go back and change the presets. I want a different look or style but the same prompts. Let's see concept art and see how the images change. Yes. You can click on the settings bar here to change the preset style, the contrast, or the dimension of the image that you are producing. You can also change the number of images that you produce per generation. So if you click on the generate button, the number of images that you usually see is 4, but if you want less than that, then you can set it over here. The total number of images you can have in 24 hours is 24 pictures. So if you are doing 4 per generate prompts, then you're going to be going for 6 generations. So here are the preset styles, and there's a contrast, and the image dimension, the YouTubers will have 69. So the generation mode, there's fast and then there's quality, but the quality is a paid version, so anyone with that symbol, with that diamond symbol, is a paid version. So here I change the dimension to 69. I'm going to apply it to my next generation to see. I'm going to put in this other prompts just to see what it gives me. So I'll do a marketplace filled with people, few people. So as you can see, the image came out with the dimension that I chose, which is 69. So I don't like how it's looking, so I'm going to edit the prompt a bit. This is not also quite exactly the way I like it, but it's better. So I'll go to settings and change the dimensions here again and generate a new prompt. So I'm going to type in a new prompt and generate a new image. Just play around with the prompt and write as much details as you want in the image. So yeah, this is the image that it generated for me. If you want to save these images to you, long press on the image and then you click on save to photos, and it just saves to your camera roll. Really cool and easy. So I'm going to change the preset to Leonardo. Let's see what it produces. I don't like this. I don't like this. When you hover over the preset while you're looking for the right one for yourself, it gives you a brief description that helps you know the exact one that you should go for. So I think I'll go for lifelike vision. I love this. Yes, so this is more realistic. And the good thing about Leonardo AI also is that whenever you come back to the AI, all the previous prompts that you've given, all the images are still in your history. So if, let's say, you lost those images or you forgot to save those images, immediately you come back with that same email account, you just go scroll down to the bottom and all your past images are shown. During my last prompt, let me switch things up a bit. Thank you guys for sticking with me to this point. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. See you guys in another video. Love, peace, and joy. Bye. And if you want the paid version, these are the prices.